Water cupping. I put this under the umbrella of wet cupping. It's technically not in the historical context wet cupping because you're not lancing the skin and you're not drawing out any blood. But it is wet in the sense that you are using water in the cup. And what you're going to do here is fill your cup either a quarter or a third full with water, or if you know herbology, you can use an herbal tincture or an herbal tea in the cup as well. So prepare oil to the area that you're going to cup, and you have your cup here filled with your water. And this is going to use a medium flame with medium suction. And I like to place a towel under my client because it doesn't matter how careful you are, there's usually going to be a little bit of water that comes out of the cup in this arena. So to prevent that, hold the cup as close to the skin as you possibly can. So to apply the water cup, you get the flame really close inside the cup, and then immediately apply the water. It's really hard to not have water kind of go everywhere here. So I like to prepare my client that there's just going to be water that leaks out of the cup. It just happens this way with this type of cupping. But in terms of water cupping, this is a fantastic way to use cupping for respiratory issues. So any type of asthma, allergies, coughing, like dry coughing or coughing with like dry, sticky phlegm, water cupping is going to be a wonderful way to help to invigorate fluids in the body. Water cupping is a tonifying method to the body, so you're not going to get any dark marks. And it's kind of precluded just because of the way that the water is situated in the cup. It's not going to have a really dark mark on the skin. What we're working with here is the fluids of the body. So we're trying to invigorate these body fluids, the yin-yang. Because this is so tonifying, we can leave the cups on for up to 15 minutes, and we're just looking for light to medium marks. No dark marks are left. And when it comes to removing the water cup, what you're going to want to do is slide it down to the edge of the body and then pull it off so that you're not really splashing water unnecessarily. So you just slide it over, down, and then around.
If you liked this video and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe below and don't forget to hit the notification button.